What's up guys, Gilolana here. In this video I'm going to show you how to register a Coins.ph account. The first thing you want to do is to open your browser, type coins or coins.ph, and the first link you will see, https coins.ph, is the one I'm talking about. Coins.ph is a digital currency wallet that's used mainly in the Philippines. It is used for buying cryptos like bitcoins or other altcoins, and you can also use it as a payment app to pay your bills, buy load, etc. Okay, I will show you. First, click this link, and then in this page right here, click for this get started button. Alright, the first one, I just suggest to use your email address. Now I'm gonna use here demo account. Okay, and I'm gonna key in a demo password. Okay, create account. So you need at least, okay, password needs at least 1 digit. Alright, I'm fine with that. Okay, you have your email verification after that page. Now on this stage you have to go to your email, the email that you used on the first page. So you have to go to your email now. This one, this in red message here, and you will see a code 497797. So you just have it 497797 and click verify. Now you have to enter your full name, middle name, last name. Now guys, you have to take note that you have to use your real name here. This is just like applying a real bank account. When you have to produce your IDs later on, you have to take a selfie, and the Coins.ph management would review your credentials. So I'm gonna have here demo account instructions. Alright, this is just for the sake of showing you how to create an account. Alright, key your true birthday, not any birthday. Okay, just take note of that guys. Next, are you a Filipino citizen? Yes. This is, by the way, widely used in the Philippines. So okay, you have to put the real address here, your real registered address, because later on you will submit your proof of billing. So now let's just key in demo address here. Okay, my permanent address is the same as my current address. Yes. Country, forgot, almost. Alright, we're almost set. And this one, how will you fund your coins account? So here, these are check boxes. You can check multiple of these at the same time, or just in this case I will select salary only. Alright, notice guys, in this address bar here, you see KYC. KYC means know your customer. So up front, Coins.ph displays you this message to take my selfie, to take your selfie with the ID here. See? So later on, you're going to do this to reach the level 2 verification. So let's just skip it for now to show you the user interface or the environment of the Coins.ph website. Here you will see in the website, okay, now this shows that you have already created your account. Okay, this one you have, close this for a minute. Okay, you have already created your account. Now, let me show you the interface here in the environment of Coins.ph. Now you have your wallet, as my wallet, and this one here, the four ones are currencies. Now this is PHP, the fiat currency that we have, peso. Now we have three cryptos here. BTC means Bitcoin. XRP means Ripple. This is an altcoin. They call this is Bitcoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, or Ethereum. Wow, there's no Ethereum, but there's no Ethereum here. Wait a minute. I'm looking for Ethereum, but maybe when you make this one or log in your mobile app, you will see Ethereum, because for sure Coins.ph supports Ethereum. Okay, now this is Ripple. If you click each of these, you will see your balance over here. Okay, and it's equivalent in peso. Okay, and then if you click Ripple wallet, you will see here, these are altcoins, guys. This is Bitcoin Cash. Alright, so this is basically the page that you will land once you log in. Now the next thing that you have to do is to click on this name, your name here. Okay, this is a drop down, and you click on limits and verifications. Before you cash in any money here, I highly recommend that you finish level 2 first. Level 2 here, guys, level 2 means that you can cash out your money. Level 1 means you cannot cash out. Okay, you cannot cash out, you can only cash in. Okay, let me show you here limits of your cash in and cash out in each levels. Okay, level 1, let's go to level 1. See here, guys, level 1 is if you have verified your phone or email. That's what we just did a while ago. We verified our email through this code. Alright, so we are on now level 1. Level 1, you have cash in 2000, but your cash out is 0 PHP. It means you can receive bitcoins here, but you cannot send it out to any bank account or any payment centers in the Philippines. Now, okay, so let's go to level 2. So in level 2, we have this limit, cash in limit 50,000 daily, monthly, we have 100, and annually, and so on. So level 2 requirements, we have here phone verification. Now if you click here verify now, they will send a code again, not to your email, guys. They will send a code to your code as an SMS to your phone. Now you will have to key in that code here to verify. That is very quick. The process is very quick. The next thing, guys, is you have to screen capture your ID, or take a photo of your ID. Valid IDs like driver's license, passport, and any valid IDs. I think some of the IDs, not all IDs are accepted in Coins.ph. You have the frequently asked questions here to discover that. Okay, so mainly if you have any driver's license or passport, this will be very easy. Just take a picture, upload it here, and then go to the next one. Selfie verification. Okay, in this one, I recommend that the ID that you use here, you make a selfie with it like this. You hold your ID and make a selfie with it. After that, upload the picture on this one of your ID here. Selfie verification, verify now. Okay, once you upload that, it will say under verification, maybe you will be verified after 2 days, maybe earlier than that. Okay, depends on how much work you have right now. And then if you want to make your limits more, okay, to upgrade your limits, you have to process level 3. Level 3 has 400,000 cash in daily, 400,000 cash out daily. I think this will be more than enough for most of the users of Coins.ph. Now, the only thing to verify here is your address. Now, proof of billing is the one that you will upload here to get verified. Okay, I myself did a proof of billing of my credit card to get approved here. It's very quick. Okay, guys, so the first thing you have to do, I repeat, the first thing you have to do once you are in, once you have signed up in this website, guys, or in this digital currency wallet, is to get verified at least at level 2. Okay, level 2, guys, before you transact anything. This is my recommendation, so you can cash out your money. Now, let's go back to my wallet. Okay, let me just give you a quick tour on this interface. Okay, cash in. Cash in. This is where you cash in. Cash in money. We have a lot of choices here. 7-Eleven, Western Union, Mulier, Union Bank, Pawn Pawn Shop, Click Pay, and so on and so forth. Online bank transfer, over-counter banking, remittance, department store, 7-Eleven, blah blah blah. Alright? Then you go, this is the method, guys. Okay, you select the cash in method, and then you enter the amount. Once you enter the amount, then this website here gives you instructions on how to pay on the payment center that you have selected. Now, let's go to cash out up menu. If you have anything to cash out, or if you want to cash out your money, guys, you can cash out on this. I think cash in has more options than cashing out. But see here, you have Palawan Express, LBC, Secret Bank, and banks. Okay, personally, I use my bank account here, BPI. I use bank account. They have processing time, so most probably you will have to wait maybe 24 hours at most for bank transfers. So, okay, another thing we have here is to buy load. Now, see here, so you are now limited to your to the services if you are still level 1. So you have to take level 2 to get the most of Coins.ph website or services. So now here you need to take a selfie and get verified and so on. So this is if you want to buy load or pay bills. You still need to get verified, gain credits, and all services. Okay. Also, okay. Now, I think I've covered almost all of the introduction video and overview of the website and the sign up process. So let me know in the comments below, guys, if you have any question, and I would be glad to answer your questions, and see you in the next video on how to cash in step by step in Coins.ph. I'm also going to cover cash out methods, buying loads, and other services. Alright, guys, ciao.